This is David Anderson from AlphaCars and Ural Motorcycles of New England. Today I'm presenting you this 2007 Triumph Thruxton cafe style motorcycle. This bike was recently traded to us. It has 6,598 miles on it, and I will take a picture of that for you right here. 6,598. The bike was adult owned. He traded it towards one of our Ural Solo older 1995 motorcycles. You can notice here that we have, the bike has the Super Trap exhaust on it. And being a cafe style motorcycle, they usually have the one person seat. There's a cap that's usually on the back. And then they have the cafe style front fairing. This bike does not have that, so it has a classic look to it. Very powerful. It is carbureted. I'll show you here. There's the choke. 2 carburetors. One on the other side. The bike also has Metzler tires. Very, very good tire. Lots of tread life on it. I did notice one little imperfection right here. As you can see, it has a rock chip. So, rock could have kicked up and hit that. We're going to touch that up. But other than that, this bike is very clean. No scratches, no leaks. Very well maintained. It came in this way. If you'd like to see more information on this bike, you can visit our website at AlphaCars.com. It's here located in our 108 Lafayette Road, Northampton, New Hampshire location. I'm going to start the bike so you can hear the exhaust system. I am inside the building, so it's echoing a little bit more than I would have liked, but it still sounds great. Again, this is a 2007 Triumph Thruxton, 6,598 miles on it, ready for a new home. Our asking price is $59.95. We have no additional dealer fees here at AlphaCars and Ural Motorcycles of New England, so the price out the door is the price you get. Feel free to reach out, alphacars.com. Thank you and have a great day.